guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another luxury unboxing. I'm super excited for this one because it's literally my two favorite brands had a baby, and here we are. I'm just so excited, and let's just get right into it because yeah, I have to show you guys this little cute item that I got. So the brand that I'm talking about is Gucci slash Balenciaga. They had a collaboration and I really wanted the hourglass bag, but I didn't get it because it was obviously sold out. Take a minute and admire this packaging. Like, oh my god, I love it so much. I was so surprised on how well it came out. Let's just admire, look at it. So this is the Gucci side. What I also noticed was that the Gucci handle is the way like they are on the Gucci shopping bags, and then when you turn it around, it is the Balenciaga bag. It's the same handle that the Balenciaga bag has, so that is super cool, and I just love the way this looks. I don't know, it's the best packaging I've ever gotten, honestly. It's just so cool. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. So this is how it came. Obviously it came in a box. I did order it online through my essay. And the first thing is a receipt. Comes like this. She wrote me a little note. She said, enjoy your new exclusive wallet. Love always. So yeah, this is the receipt. And I did get this for Christmas. My parents bought this for me for Christmas. So thanks, Mom and Dad. I love you. And I didn't put it the way it was because I cannot package it the way it came. And then the tissue, sorry that was loud. The tissue paper is so cool as well. It says Gucci all over it, and it looks like this. It's really cool. I keep everything once I like get something. I don't throw anything away. And then this is what the box looks like. So it's like the bag, it's Gucci, and then the back is like Balenciaga color, the gray. So this is what it looks like, and when you open it, it looks like this. I just love, does everyone else love the new Gucci packaging, like the green? I really like it. I mean, don't get me wrong, the black and white was so like classy and simple, but this one's like really nice. It brings it up a level. Something just fell. So this is, I don't know what you call this, the things that keep it fresh, I don't know. And then these little pamphlets on like how to take care of it. I personally don't read these, but that's what it comes with. And then here is what the dust bag looks like. Look how nice this looks. It's Gucci and then Balenciaga. So it's Gucci right there, Balenciaga, and when you open it, this is the back, by the way. It's like the Gucci dust bag. Oh, what I ended up getting was, dun 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 dun, was the wallet. And they had like a couple wallets, but I thought this was like the cutest one, honestly, because the other one was too bulky and it was like the trifold. I'll put a picture if I can find it on the screen, but I thought this was perfect because it's flat and it will like fit in all my bags. So this is what it looks like. It has the Gucci canvas on it, and then it has the B, and then underneath it, if you guys can see that, it says Balenciaga, which is really nice, and I just love the way this looks. It's really cool. And this is the back with all the card slots right here, and in the front it has one pocket, and then it has a center zipper that you can put cards or cash. Cash does fit in it, and in the inside it has again the Gucci canvas. And then on the back, it features another pocket right here. And then it has 4 card slots. So you could put 4 cards in here, but you have plenty of room to put if you have other cards in the front or in the back or in the middle. So yeah, I love these kinds of wallets. And it also has gold hardware, which you guys know I love gold hardware. And also in the box, I just noticed that it says Balenciaga all inside, which is really nice. I was really drawn to this item because you guys know how I love unique things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just a little unboxing. And yeah, please like and subscribe. Go follow me on Instagram. I'll put my name on the screen somewhere. And if you have any recommendations for videos, please leave them down in the comments. And I love you guys and thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever you're in the world, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.